me show you how to crochet a very nice striped baby hat. We're going to begin with the color that we want to be on the top because we're going to be crocheting this top to bottom. Grab your hook and begin by making a chain of as wide as you would like the hat to be, keeping in mind that it does shrink a little when we start crocheting, so better to make it a bit longer. Also, make sure that you are making an odd number of stitches. Once your chain is big enough for your liking, now we are going to connect it in the round, making sure that it is not twisted. Go into that first loop of the first stitch and make a single crochet. Now we are going to chain one, skip one chain, and make a single crochet into the next one. Again, chain one, skip one, and a single crochet into the next one. This stitch is called linen stitch, where we chain one, skip one, and make a single crochet into the next one. Chain one, skip one, and single crochet into the next. Continue on this way until you've reached the end of the first round. Here we've reached the end of the first row, and we're going to continue going into the chain ones that we did from the previous row. So not into these kind of stitches, but right next to it, that little hole. Remember to chain one, then go into that little hole, chain one, skip the next stitch, and go into the little hole that's next to it. Chain one, skip the next stitch, and go into the little hole next to it. And now we are going to continue this way in the round over and over again. I am going to be changing colors by the end of this row. If you would like to make the hat all in one color, then you don't need to do this step. Once you've reached the beginning of the row, you can tell from where the tail is and just follow that line up. Now I'm going to take my second color and instead of chaining one with my first color, I'm going to do the chain one with the new color. Just like that. And continue crocheting normally. After a few rows, now I'm going to add the third color. Again, I'm going to reach exactly where I began with the second color so that it should make a smooth transition. For the chain 1, I'm going to take the new yarn and do the chain 1 with that one. There we go. And continue to crochet normally. Once your hat is the length that you want, we're going to continue crocheting a couple of more rows so that we can fold it back for a nice little cuff. Once you're done with those extra few rows, right before we cut our yarn, we're going to make one last chain 1, and instead of making a single crochet in the next stitch, we're going to make just a slip stitch to close it off nicely, like that. Now cut your yarn and pull through that loop to secure. There we go. If you used a few colors, then cut off those tails as well, leaving a little bit to sew in later. We can begin to see how the hat is coming along. You can even fold up the brim to see how that'll look. And now all that's left to do is close up the top. So take your darning needle, and if you had left a long enough tail at the beginning, you could use that. If not, like mine is too short, I'm going to add a new tail. Turn your work inside out. And begin going in and out in between stitches. Once you've reached back at the beginning, now we're going to pull as much as we can, but careful not to cut the yarn. And close it off just a little more to keep it tight and closed. Once it's closed enough, make a little knot with your tail. And hide it in. Cut off any excess yarn. And now we're going to sew in all the little ends. And your hat is done. You can fold up the brim if you made one. Now look how cute and sweet that little hat is, and it was so easy and fast to make. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we'll see you next time. All the best!